Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, August 7th, and this is my PM recap for gold, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So if you saw this morning's video, I was saying that I would be very cautious with my shorts because if this really is going to go up and make new all-time highs, which it definitely could, then it will definitely continue to make higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. Every single one of these swings is a higher low. That is basically the definition of an uptrend. And there's no reason to say that this may not continue to make higher highs, higher lows. So I'm definitely still recommending longs unless we bounce from a Fibonacci retracement level, go down and break structure. If that happens, if it breaks the series of higher highs, higher lows, I would definitely become bearish. But until that happens, I am for sure looking for longs, and I would not be surprised if it just kept on making those higher highs and higher lows. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.